What if somebody had died tonight? Different story, right? Because that's on you. And if you died, I feel like that's on me. Think a little more mental.